welcome to the Journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my Loc friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about how I will be handling this combined lock that actually has a hole in it. It did not get to fuse correctly or whatever the case may be. It is 3 locks combined together, so that can be the issue. So I actually got the crochet needles. I'll be using this one if I was going that route. However, at this moment, I will loosen it out as Shamika the Bee, I think her name is that, Shamika the Bee, I'll put the comment here. She did advise me that the crochet needle did help her when her lock looked like this, when it did not fuse together or lock together. So I was gonna take up that advice, but it keeps pulling because of the 3 locks that were combined. First of all, I did it incorrectly, but this is gonna be a problem lock in the future, so I'm just gonna take it all out. I did purchase the crochet needles, excited to learn how to use it, but I'll be taking the other route just because it's pulling very badly. So that's what today's video is all about. If you're interested in that, stick around and let's get right into it. Alright, so since this has been locked for a year, I will go in with water and my shampoo, and I also have the conditioner if it gets bad. So I'm gonna wet it. And a rat tail comb. This is just built up from the Jamaican mango and lime retwist gel. It's a bit difficult, so I'll add some conditioner to it. So this is actually harder than I thought. I'm not getting it installed, but I'm gonna try, and if anything, I may just loose out until up to here and just twist them back together so that everything can be in one and not just 1, 2, 3 being twisted together. So let's see if I can get that done. Okay, so I switched combs. I got a finer one, and that seems to be doing the trick, so that will help me. conditioner again. Getting somewhere. I think I should keep going and see how it plays out. My son should be waking up very soon and I want to go and wash my hair, so I have to hurry up. we got through it. Oh, I feel so much better. Nothing is pulling. I actually thought it would have been from one of these locks back here, but it was because it was combined incorrectly. Everything was just pulling from that lock, from those locks separately. So I feel so relieved. Have some knots in here still, but I'll get those out. And there you have it, a fresh lock after 1 year. The shrinkage is real, because once I wash my hair, it's gonna be all the way up here. But it's so cool to see this. In regards to losing hair, sorry, the sun is coming in a lot. That's what was lost. I can go and wash my hair. My hair needs some TLC, guys. Haven't washed it since I went to Elegance House of Creations about a month, I know 2 weeks or a week ago. My retwist lasted long because I did a style, so that's a plus. But time to wash because they have massive buildup. So going to wash my hair now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just a recap, I took out one of my locks due to a combination that went totally wrong. So here I am now with a brand new lock after 1 year. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and share with your friends. Thank you so much again. Bye.